Well, I'm glad you asked because I am super excited about today's episode. We are tasting and reviewing Havana Club Cuban Smoky. So this is a dark rum that is aged in Isla Scotch casks. So if you're unfamiliar with Isla, they are the smokiest of Scotch. So think Ardbeg, Laphroaig, Lagavulin. So hopefully this rum will take on that smoky characteristic. Yeah, whatever. So we're going to taste, we're going to review, and then we're going to create 3 awesome cocktails. We're going to make 1 cocktail in this episode. If you want the other 2, you got to subscribe, you got to stick around. They will be out later this week. Okay, let's crack open one of these bottles. So like I said, I was super excited. I've been waiting for this for a while. I love Isla Scotch. I'm a big whiskey drinker, and Islas are my favorite. So when I heard that there was Havana Club was gonna make a smoky rum, I just had to try it. I've been waiting for a while. So let's pour ourselves a little bit in the Glencairn, and let's give it a taste, shall we? Oh yeah, been looking forward to this. Give it a little swirl. Okay, so on the nose, not as smoky as I would have thought, but then again, I'm used to drinking Laphroaig and Ardbeg, things like that. The smoke is there. It's very pleasant, very nice. It's a little more subtle than I'm used to, but then again, like I said, I drink very smoky Scotch. Let's give it a sip. Oh, wow. Okay, that's really good. Up front, very rum forward, so you get that dark, rich rum taste, the molasses, and then right away after that, you get a strong smoke flavor. It almost tastes like a whiskey by the end of it. This is probably I'd say my favorite sipping rum. I'm not a big rum drinker neat. I love rum cocktails, but neat, not really my thing, but this is pretty awesome. Let's try it in a cocktail. We're going to make a Smoky Daiquiri. We're going to go pretty standard with the recipe. 2 ounces of our Havana Club Cuban Smoky. And I think this is probably going to be the best cocktail because there's, a daiquiri is very plain. It's 3 ingredients: rum, sugar, lime. So you're really going to taste that rum. 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. And then we're going to do a full ounce of lime juice. You can play with these ratios. This is my favorite ratio for a daiquiri. All right, let's add some ice to our glass. Oh, this is gonna be good. I know it. Come on, more ice. Let's go. All right, grab your tin. Do a flippy move. Seal it up. Give her a good shake for 20 seconds. You want to shake a daiquiri pretty well. A nice foam. That's from the vigorous shake. Alright, we're going to serve this in a stemmed glass. I got a Nicanora here. You can do a coupe. Any stemmed glass. Grab your strainer. I'm not going to double strain. I don't think you have to. Alright, right to the rim. For garnish, you can do a lime wheel, pretty traditional. I'm going to do a little lime peel here, right on the rim. I think it looks nice. And there it is, your Smoky Daiquiri, made with our Havana Club Cuban Smoky. I love this. This is probably one of my favorite daiquiris I've ever made. It's a rich, dark rum flavor up front, citrusy, of course, and then that smoke lingers on the finish. It sticks around for a little while. Beautiful. Don't forget, I'm making 2 more cocktails with this Havana Club Cuban Smoky. So subscribe and stick around. Cheers.